You've heard about cultural diversity and how important it is. And you know it involves more than ordering falafel for lunch. Your culture, ethnicity, and beliefs are your frame. But there are thousands of other different frames. This is cultural diversity. In the workplace, it can bring new knowledge, perspectives, and experiences. So how do you know if you've got diversity? And if you've got it, how much of it have you got? That's where Diversity Atlas comes in. Because now, cultural diversity can be measured. Using data collected from your employees, we create visually striking, shareable infographics that show the level of cultural diversity within your organisation. You probably haven't even realised how much diversity your organisation contains. Diversity Atlas is your doorway to a whole new level of interaction with the human world, in all its mind-boggling variety. Discover it now.